Hi everyone, Andrea here from Nexttools Dev Team, and in this video we are going to see how to block discount codes into the checkout. Because with script you had this functionality that is reject codes that has not been migrated to new functions. So we will see on how to achieve the same functionality and how we found a solution at Nexttools with two apps that are SupaEasy, the first one, and we'll use into SupaEasy a checkout validation that is able to lock the checkout from happening. And we will use AttributePro and think about like AttributePro as a widget or a plugin for SupaEasy. And with that, you will be able to, I will explain it in a while into the video. So let's take a look how it works. So the idea is to have AttributePro because we need to find a way to access the discount code used into the checkout. And as of today, the only way is to use cart attribute. So what we will do is to use AttributePro to sync discount codes used into the checkout, and then read the discount code used into the checkout into the cart attribute set by AttributePro into SupaEasy to fire a checkout validation. But it's better if I show you how does it work. So first thing first, you need AttributePro installed, and then you need to go under settings, click on checkout, and click on customize. Then you need to click on add app block, and you need to click on AttributePro, and you need to select the AttributePro app block like this. Let me show you. AttributePro. Once you click on it, you will see all the settings of AttributePro. So you can choose to sync different options available into the checkout, like discount codes or a selected payment method, or selected shipping rates, gift card, and the currency. And these are all useful options. For example, if you want to provide an automatic discount based on the selected payment method. But for this video, we will select just the discount codes. So I already have AttributePro added to the cart, so I won't save it. And now this is the only thing you need to do into AttributePro. Now let's take a look at the SupaEasy part. So we will create a function to reject a specific discount code. So let's say that we want to reject this code right here, and this one will be allowed. Okay, so create a checkout validation function into SupaEasy. Click on create function. You could also use the UI wizard to create that. So validation function and validate cart checkout. So we will call it like reject discount code with the name of the code. And we will say that into our cart qualifier, if cart has an attribute that is like AP discount codes, that stand for AttributePro discount codes. This is the key that will be set by AttributePro, and this is the value. Okay, then we will show this error to our customer. That is, you cannot use this discount code. You can add also other condition, like for example, if the cart has a specific, if the customer wants to use this discount and the cart is greater than a specific amount, or other condition. But let's keep it simple, hit save, and let's test it into our store. So enable the validation rule, and let's go to our store to check it. Let's put something into our cart. And proceed to the checkout. Okay, so now let's try to use, as you can see now, our checkout is a normal checkout, so I'm able to proceed with my checkout. But as soon as I use this discount code, AttributePro sync these discount codes into a cart attribute, and the fact that we are setting a cart attribute is re-rendering or rerunning the checkout validation function that at this point check if the cart has an attribute with the key that we specified and with the value that is exactly equal to our discount codes, and then fire the error to the customer that is not able to proceed with the checkout. And let's try with the other discount code, see if it works. For example, we have this code right here that is called code allowed. Let's remove this one. You will see also the error disappear. And let's try this other code. As you can see, no error is shown because we, into our checkout validation rule, defined only the other code to be not allowed. So this is how to overcome this missing functionality from functions, because as mentioned, you cannot access the user discount codes into the discount function. So we are using AttributePro to set a cart attribute with a specific key, but the value is the discount code used, so it's synced. And then we use a checkout validation into SupaEasy to fire the error and to block the checkout. So let me know if this functionality is clear, but keep in mind that you will need AttributePro, and leave a comment if you want something covered in other videos. See you in the next video.